Hey guys, what the heck is up? So today I am doing a new box to my channel. Oh my gosh. So it is a period subscription box because, yo girl, it's not a fun time if you're a girl and you have your period. So I found this box. It was either Cratejoy or Instagram when I discovered this company, but basically it's called Cherry Blossom. So, oh, stuff dropped out. Okay. Cherry Blossom subscription. Okay. So this is, oh wow, this is, okay. So it's pink and very cute. This is what the box looks like. Dang. Impressive looking box. Okay, so this is what the card looks like. Thank you for your purchase. We truly appreciate your support. By the way, this shipped to me pretty fast. I reached out to the company on the 20th. My box shipped on the 26th of February, and then it got to me. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It is wrapped so cute. So this is supposed to be like period stuff and then like some stuff to make you like happy during your period. So yeah, here is what it looks like. It is wrapped up super cute. Okay, so I don't know if this is TMI. I mean, this is a period box, so I might as well share. So I don't use tampons, so I'm not gonna be showing you guys any tampons. I use the reusable like silicone cup, and then I also use pads. But yeah, so these are some pads. And then, what are these? Oh, and then these are also pads. So you are definitely stocked up for a decent amount of time with this. Ooh, dang, even more pads. Wow. Okay. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 pads, and I think what these are called are like the overnight liners and stuff. It looks like there's at least 8 in each one from what I can guess. Ooh, this is really cute. You could probably put jewelry in this. This is probably like a really discreet way to like put like your pads and tampons and stuff in your bag. So that'll be nice. I think I'll either use this for some jewelry to hold, or I'll keep some pads in here and like put it in my purse. The next thing that I'm seeing is Sensibles. Little bag, lots of confidence. Scented bags for clean, easy, discreet disposal. Oh, these are super helpful. I could definitely use these for work because we have like a bathroom that can be used by like both men and women because they're like single stalls. So this will be oh, these are cute too. Dang. Okay. Yeah, I'll definitely be using these. I don't know. Are they supposed to smell like something? I don't smell it that much, but my sense of smell could just be gone at the moment. I think these are wipes to like in your downstairs area smell clean and fresh. I've never heard of either of these brands. So this is Box Naturals, but I dig the packaging. Kind of has like an old school like royal look to it. So this is in lavender, great for travel, and then this is in rose water. So that will definitely be amazing to try out. And then what are these? Biodegradable natural rayon towelette, and this is in cucumber and witch hazel. I've never heard of that combination before, so that has me intrigued. And then the final item is tea. So this is relax, rewind, then pass again with cinnamon, chamomile, and lavender. Oh, these are Lipton. Okay, cool. So as to recap, you have your sensible wipes, 30 fairly good amount of pads. This will definitely last me my entire period. And then these are also pads, but I assume these are for night use. This cool silk discreet container. And then a couple of fun marketing items like this pen, the chapstick, hand sanitizer. Definitely can't go wrong with that. Overall, I'm actually really impressed with this box. It is definitely different than what I have seen in subscription boxes. This is more like it's giving you your necessities, what you need, and some cute small little things. Like, you can't go wrong with tea. Tea definitely, especially like when you have cramps, helps with that. So overall, I really like the box. If you want to subscribe, I would say definitely subscribe, because periods are hard and there's no reason to make it harder by not having cool things to make it a little bit easier for you to enjoy said period. So yeah, that's gonna do it for the unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do a lot of different boxes, and then sometimes I do the same ones, but this one's a different one. So yeah, go ahead, check out Cherry Blossom, and yeah, bye.